but all the human beings. Allah says, Hudan linnas. The Holy Quran is the last book of Allah. This was descended upon Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allah says in Holy Quran, Nuzila ala Muhammad, respected audience. There are 6,236 verses in it. It has 114 chapters. This divine book has been divided 30 chapters, which are called paras. It descended gradually in about 22 years and 5 months. Honorable participant, the subject of Holy Quran is human being. This shows us the right path. Allah says in Holy Quran, Inna hazal Quran yahdi lillati hiya aqwam. It has many incidents of ancient nations. These incidents have been described to show us the right path. Respected audience, the Holy Quran is a miraculous book which can be learned by heart. Furthermore, Allah has taken responsibility to secure text of the book. There are million hafaz of Quran over the Muslim world. Allah says in Holy Quran, Inna nahnu nazzalna zikra wa inna lahu lahafidun. Respected audience, the language of Holy Quran is Arabic. Allah has made it easy to understand for people. Honorable participant, at the end of my speech, the Holy Quran is the last book of Allah. This is the last message of Allah. This is a miraculous book, but not just to recite it. This is act upon. May Allah give hidayah to follow Ismail's sacred teaching. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.